If you enjoy this video, support me using my creator code. And also by subscribing. Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to add Twitch quick actions to OBS. You want to start by going to View, Docs, and then clicking on Custom Browser Docs. The following window should then pop up. Give it a name, Twitch quick actions or something like that. You then want to grab the URL from the description of this video and replace where it says your channel name with your actual channel name. Click apply and the doc should appear like so. If it appears and says you haven't got permissions, you can click the X to close the doc. Go back to View, Docs, and then click on the name of the doc you just made and it should now work. Arrange it how you like and give it a test. Be sure to leave a like if this helped and subscribe for future content.